आज हम मनी प्लांट के कटिंग को अलग अलग तरीके से डेकोरेट करेंगे। तो चलिए।
I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, and the bright, blessed day, and dark, sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying